Hello everyone. In this video we will see the linear search algorithm. So how we can find elements inside an array using this algorithm. Linear search algorithm. So this algorithm is beneficial if the array is not in a sorted fashion or in ascending or descending order. Okay. So let me first define an array int array. Before that, let me again define the size of the array. Hash define max. Let us suppose I am assigning the value size of the array as 10. Okay. Max. And it will contain some of the elements. Let us suppose 20, 10, 30, 60, 50, 40, 70, 90, 80. And one more, that is 45. Okay, and now initialize the variables which will require in our code. Int I, flag, and item. So item is a variable which we are trying to find inside in our array. So printf statement, enter the item which is to be searched. Okay, and scanf statement for allowing user to enter the value. Ampersand item. Okay, now we will move ahead for the for loop for transferring this array. For loop. Okay, for I equals to, I am assigning I equals to 0 so that it will go through the from first element up to the last element. I equals to 0, I is less than the size of the array which is max, and I gets incremented. Inside this for loop, we are checking the condition that the item or the element which is entered by the user is equals to the any of the elements inside this array. Okay, so there will be if condition if the item which is entered by the user is equals to the array element. Okay, and inside if suppose this case happen, we will simply increment the flag variable, that is I plus 1, else flag variable will simply 0, and after that we are printing the after outside the for loop we are printing the statement whether we found the element or not. Okay, printing the statement, and this will nothing but for okay, if suppose we find the element, if flag is not equals to 0, then printf statement, that is we found item at %d, that is this is the placeholder location, and we are passing the variable as flags, so it will hold the value which will be right there. And this not happens, then else simply printf that we not found the element. Okay, this is the logic code of this linear search algorithm. One more thing I should add here is the break statement. If suppose we found the element, so therefore the loop gets broken down and we will move ahead right here that we found the element or not. Okay, so let me run the code and check whether. Okay, so let me choose the language which is C. So I have chosen the language. One more mistake here, error is found that there should be a double R variable. Okay, we have simply, let me again run. Okay, so I am entering 30, which is in our array at third position. Okay, so we print that we found item at third location. One more trial. Let us suppose I enter the 70. So it prints that we found the item at 7 location. So thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.